Go? Oh my
Go.
God. Okay. Hello, everyone. My name is Susie, also known as African Creature. And guess what? I'm back. It's been a long time coming. I'm sorry, guys. Forgive me. But I'm just like so happy and so blessed to be here. I just wanted to create a video to just talk and explain who I am, what I've been doing, what I've been up to, and where I see this YouTube going. Aren't you excited? Okay. And I am a creative hair artist, entrepreneur, business owner. I own this brand called Hair by Susie. Guys, follow us. I've been doing hair since I was 7 years old. Hair has always been a passion of mine. I'm Nigerian. Hey. Yoruba to be exact. I love peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. I love being creative. I love creating hair art. I love teaching people about hair and beauty and self-confidence. I love my family. What else? A little bit about me. So I started my brand Hair by Susie about 5 years ago, to be exact. Hair has always been a hobby and something that I love to do. I got laid off from my job and I decided to take hair full time. I decided to really take it serious. So as I started embracing myself and embracing my beauty and confidence. So I got laid off from my job at 18 years old. That was my first job. Well, my first job was McDonald's. Well, only for a couple of days. And I moved on to being a home health aide. And then when I got laid off, I really embraced hair and beauty and culture. And me being Nigerian, it was really easy transition because being Nigerian is a way of life. And I brought my culture into my hair art, into my business. And as soon as I continued to just embracing myself and my artistry, then everything blew up from there. I remember sitting in my apartment one day watching Beyonce's music video, We Like to Party. And I remember noticing Solange beautiful braids. I love Solange. And I said to myself, I'm the best in New York City. I should be the one doing her hair. I'm the best. And then a few months later, I get an email from Solange stating that she wanted me to do her hair. Can you believe that? I believe that. God believed that. And then from there, I got a chance to work with Beyonce doing the famous side cornrows to the side. Zoe Kravitz. It was her first braids ever. And we did it for the movie Dope. And then after that, we continued doing her hair. I worked with so many amazing, beautiful, talented people. And I'm just so grateful because it all started from a video like this. You know, I started on YouTube. I didn't really know, which direction I was going. I just knew I wanted to share my art and share my mind and my visual and my passion with the world. So just imagine a little girl from the Bronx, Nigerian, on your TV screens, creating magic like this. I'm just inspired and I'm happy. And I've been thinking a long time to come on YouTube, like, how does that look like? Will people accept me again? Is it gonna be, how's it gonna be being an entrepreneur and coming back on YouTube? Questions that I continue to ask myself. And today we shot a video with makeup by Ashabi. And she's such an amazing person. She's like, hey, you gotta do it. You gotta come back on YouTube. You have the personality. You have the energy to drive. Everyone loves you. Come back. And I was like, you know what? I'm gonna do it. Regardless of what anyone thinks. I have to, and it's my purpose. So I'm here today shooting my first video, comeback video. I'm really excited. I want you guys to be looking forward to more videos, hair tutorials, fashion, whatever you think that you see me as. Like if you see like something really dope or a hairstyle that you want me to talk about or teach you guys about, just let me know. Comment below. subscribe. Oh my God, I can't believe we're doing this again. Comment below. Subscribe, okay? Follow me on Instagram, AfricanCreature. And check out our business, Hair by Susie. You know, we've been doing this for so long. I know you guys been trekking with us, you know, all over the world. Wherever you're watching, you've been viewing our content, checking out our videos, following, being consistent, booking them hair appointments. Really appreciate you. I love you guys because you're the reason why I'm here today. You are the reason why I'm speaking in this camera. It's all for you. So whatever you feel like you want me to talk about or explain or show a video or demo or tutorial or class, whatever, comment below. DM us. Let us know what you want to see. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, AfricanCreature. Follow me on Instagram, AfricanCreature. And follow the salon, Hair by Susie.